Hello, good morning everyone. How are you? For today's activity, we are going to make a puzzle, but not any puzzle. We are going to use nature things. So we have to go outside to open our eyes and look for sticks, leaves, rocks, whatever you can find. Okay? Then I'm going to show you how we are going to create this puzzle. So get ready and we are going outside to look all the things we can find. Ready, steady, go! I'm back and look all the things that I found outside. Look, leaves and branches and a stick and a yellow flower. I found a rock too. And now I put them on a white piece of paper. Do you remember? We did this activity. We went around the house looking for some objects. Today, we are going to put all the things that we found outside and we're going to start tracing, okay? Because we are going to make a nature puzzle. Are you ready? Okay, I'm going to show you how we are going to start this activity. Get ready! Tracing everything. If you need help, you can ask your mommy and your daddy or a big brother or sister to help you, okay? And now we are ready to start playing this puzzle, okay? Have fun!